1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill. Part 7-blank. Dashes are a kind of optional punctuation. Some people use them, others don't. Often you can use a comma or parenthesis instead of dashes. Dash is used 1. to indicate an abrupt stop or change of thought, as, if my father were alive, but why lament the past? 2. to resume a scattered subject or to show flattering speech, as friends, companions, relatives, all deserted him. Yes, well, I would, only you see, it's not easy. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.